Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the second video on quadratic equation. In the last video, we have learned the concepts of quadratic equation, and in this video, we are going to solve a couple of practice problems. And again, this video is only going to be questions, right? So better you download this PPT from our Telegram channel before. Try to solve this 6-7 question on your own, and then only look at the solution. It is going to be very beneficial for you and going to save you a lot of time, uh, valuable practice time if you do it this way, right? Let's start. Before this, if if you want to remember, I will just do a quick recap here only. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation given to you, then find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, and the roots of the equation are minus b plus root d by 2a, and the other root is minus b minus root d over by 2a. I hope you are able to recall this thing. Now, starting with, this is the first question. If you have downloaded it and if you want to solve it on your own, now is the time. You can pause the video and come back once you have done to see the solution. Okay, this is a question given to you. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2. How to solve this? This is given to us. I will just put x. This will be x square minus 1, right, is equal to 3 by 2. Simple simplification. Then I will take 2 on that side. 2x square minus 2 is equal to 3x. As I've already told you, take everything on the left hand side and make right hand side equal to 0. So this will be 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. I hope this is clear. Now, you can use any method you want, discriminant method or other method. I will use other method, show you how to solve it that way. Multiply these two. So, the product of those two number, which I am looking for is minus of 4, minus 2 into 2. But the sum of those two numbers should be minus 3. Think of those such two number where the product is minus 4, but the sum is minus 3. I will give you A is minus 4, B is 1. Because if you multiply these two, it will give you minus 4. But if you add these two, it will give you minus 3. So I know minus 4 and 1 are my numbers. So 2x square is equal to minus 4x plus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x common, 2x minus 4 plus, I will not take, one second, I will not take x common, I will take 2x from common. So it will be x minus 2 plus, taking 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Equating x minus 2 is equal to 0, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. I will get a value as x is equal to and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. I hope this is clear. Just you have to simplify it and use any method. You can also use that alpha beta discriminant method if you want, right? Now moving on, second question. This is given to you that x square plus 7xy plus 6y square is equal to 0. Find x ratio y. They are not asking you find x. They are asking you to give me the value of x by y. I hope this is clear. Now is the time to pause the video. Try to solve it on your own and then come back. Okay. I have to find x by y. But how to do it? Suppose this is the equation given to me. I divide this whole by y square and this by y square. Right? I divide both sides by y square. So will it not be x by y whole square plus 7 xy by y square plus 6 y square by y square is equal to 0? This will be x by y square plus 7 x by y plus 6 means into 1 is equal to 0. Now let x by y is equal to, suppose, say m. My equation will turn to m square plus 7m plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. If you are able to find the value of m, then you are able to find the value of x by y. And so since m has two values, x by y will also have two values. I hope this is clear. And this type of question, since this is a practice problem, but this type of questions are very important when you are doing ratios question, proportions question, mixture question. So, so make sure you understand that how to divide it by y square, and instead of x by equation in x and y form, converting it into single variable m form, right? Now, moving on to the third question. This is a question given to you. X is equal to under root of 6 plus under root of 6 plus under root of 6 till infinity. Suppose such a question is given to you, and this is one of the favorite questions of CAT exam, IIT's exam. Even they have asked you in the IIT's exam, and also very likely they will ask you in the UPSC exam as well, right? So pay very keen attention on this. Suppose this question is given to you. What are you going to solve? How are you going to solve and find the value of x? Now, if this is question given to me, and if I square on both sides, so 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 into infinity square. So x square will be equal to 6. This bigger root will be gone. This square root will be gone. It will I will be left with 6 plus under root 6 plus till infinity. Now this part is separate, and I am able to free a 6 here by doing a square root. I hope this is clear. I just have done is squaring both sides. Now x square is equal to 6 plus, what is this part? Now compare it with first equation and this part. Is it not x? There are still under root of 6 plus under root of 6 infinite times, and this is only x if you compare it with the first equation. So instead of writing this bigger 6, I will just write a single x, because this x is equal to this part. So x square plus is equal to 6 plus x. So taking everything on the left side, x minus 6 is equal to 0. You should be able to find some value of x. That is our answer. I hope this is clear. What I have done, this question is given to me. I will just square on both sides. Then the root 6 part is original x. I am able to find a quadratic equation. Solving x, I am getting the final answer. I hope this is clear. And such type of question, next question is very similar to this. So I am very hopeful you will be able to solve that. That is why pause the video on the next question and try to solve it before you see the solution. This question is given to you. X is equal to under root of 7, under root of 7, under root of 7 till infinity. What we will do? We will free 7 by squaring on both sides. 7, 7, 7, infinity. Now tell me, what is this part? This is original x. So this gets converted to x square is equal to 7 of x. Then taking everything on the left side, x is this. I can do it like x common, x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and x minus 7 is equal to 0 are two answers. X is equal to 7 and x is equal to 0. I am getting the two values of x. But if you look at this, is x equal to 0 by any case? No, because there is some value of x there. So x is equal to 0 is not the answer. X is equal to 7 is the answer. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt in this, you can post them in the comments. This is the way to solve such a question. And if you have seen the number system videos, there was a concept of recurring decimals. We have followed a similar pattern of solving the recurring decimal part as well, right? So this again, I'm putting a lot of emphasis, like this is very important. One of the favorite question for CAT exam, as well as very likely it will be asked in the UPSC exam, such questions, right? Now, they are telling you that find the value of m when the roots are real and equal. Some equation is given to you. They have told you that roots are real and equal. What is the condition of roots being real and equal? That discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So in our case, a is m plus 1, b is minus of 2 m minus 1 and c is equal to 1. So b square, which is b square will be 2 4 m minus 1 square, right? Minus of 4, a means m plus 1, c is 1 equal to 0. So this will be 4 common m minus 1 square minus of m by m plus 1 is equal to 0. You can solve for the value of m, that is the answer. So for these value of m, this will just simply convert to, this will get converted to a quadratic equation. M square minus 3m is equal to 0. This will get cancel out. M square, m common, m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. M is equal to 3. So for the two values of m is equal to 0 and m is equal to 3, this is possible, right? You can put, if you want to check, you can put m is equal to 0 and you will find the discriminant equal to 0. Roots are equal and real, or m is equal to 3 is also the answer. I hope this is clear. That is why this understanding, this concept is very important, right? Moving on. This is a question. I will just leave you for the homework. Very simple. You just have to understand what they are trying to say. That there is a sum and it is reciprocal. I hope you understand what a reciprocal is. Suppose a number is 6 by 8. The reciprocal of it will be 8 by 6. Suppose there is number 4. Its reciprocal will be 1 by 4. Means changing numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Right? Now, suppose the number is, let number be x. So its reciprocal will be 1 by x. Sum of two number and reciprocal is 13 by 6. Can you not solve it in the way that we have done in the question number 1? Try to solve it, and if you have any issues, you can post your doubts in the comments. Right? And that's all for the practice problem for quadratic equation. I hope these questions have cleared some doubts of you. And if you have any other doubt, you can post in the comments. Right? I will just, if I find the doubts which a lot of people are facing, anyway, I am going to make a crash course video in the end of algebra, telling you all the concepts what you have learned in a single video. So don't worry, right? So what we have learned in the main thing, the main takeaway from this is, if such a question is given to you, root 7, suppose root 5 plus root 5 plus root 5 infinity. So you do a square 5 plus x. This is the main thing, main takeaway from this video. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll start with some other topic and we'll try to complete algebra very soon. There are a few other concepts like cubic equation, logarithmic, uh, such concepts are there. I will try to complete the video for algebra very soon, and after that we are going to start with arithmetic. And once number system, arithmetic and algebra is done, my suggestion is you can stop. You can understand. You have understood all the concept of these three, and you will be able to solve like 50% of the quad section. After that, you just have to do a lot of practice. 2016 to 2023, you have to solve all these papers for CSAT. And in my views, this is, if you have done this, then I don't feel you need a lot of mock test or test series after this. But this is mandatory. This is mandatory. That is optional. If you are done with this, then you can move to mock tests, as many mock tests as you want. So that's all for this video. We will see you in the next topic with the next topic, and till then, best of luck, guys.